Can a free video editor really compete with Hollywood's favorite software? That's the question today. CapCut has risen fast, offering auto captions, trendy effects, and a super simple interface that makes editing feel effortless. Premiere Pro, on the other hand, dominates professionally with a complex timeline, full control, and cinematic precision, but it takes time to master. Whether you're a beginner, a TikTok/Reels creator, or a YouTuber aiming for long-form content, this video will help you figure out which editor fits your style and workflow. Here's the thing, video editing isn't just dragging clips around. It's how you tell your story, show your personality, and connect with your audience. For TikTokers or Reels creators, speed matters more than anything. You want something that doesn't make you want to pull your hair out. That's where CapCut shines. But if you're trying to grow a YouTube channel with cinematic intros, cool transitions, and long-form storytelling, Premiere Pro gives you the tools to make your videos look, well, professional. This isn't just software talk. It's about how you bring your ideas to life. Let's start with what hits you first, the interface. CapCut. It's like walking into a cozy little cafe. You can see everything, buttons are labeled, drag and drop is intuitive. You don't have to read a manual to figure out how to add a clip or a title. Premiere Pro though, that's like opening the cockpit of a jumbo jet. Panels everywhere, timelines stacked on timelines, and buttons you've never seen before. It's overwhelming at first, but here's the thing. Once you spend a few weeks with it, it molds to your workflow. Total chaos at first, total control later. CapCut's simplicity also means you can experiment without fear. You're less likely to get lost or frustrated, and that freedom encourages creativity in ways Premiere sometimes slows down. Speed is where CapCut really shows off. Want to slap on a filter, cut a clip, add some auto captions, and post? Boom, you're done in minutes. Templates make everything faster, and honestly, it almost feels like cheating. Premiere Pro, not so much. It's precise, deliberate, and slower. Every cut, transition, and keyframe takes attention. But if you want cinematic finesse, that's the trade-off. So if you're on a schedule and need to churn out content quickly, CapCut is your friend. If you're aiming for long-form content that wows visually, patience pays off. And here's a small but important detail. CapCut's speed also helps if inspiration strikes randomly. You can edit in bursts, try new ideas, and post on the same day without worrying about a long setup. Now, effects. CapCut gives you all the trending, flashy stuff you see on TikTok or Instagram, dynamic text, filters, social media ready transitions. You can get a polished look fast, but eventually you'll hit limits. Everything starts to look a little same-y if you keep pushing it. Premiere Pro? That's where the real magic happens. You can stack effects, tweak motion, play with curves, and design something truly unique. It takes time, yes, but the creative possibilities are endless. If you love experimenting and making your video stand out, Premiere is your playground. Here's a fun one. AI. CapCut basically feels like it reads your mind. Auto captions, text-to-speech, background removal, it's all built in and mostly accurate. Premiere has AI too via Adobe Sensei, but it's more hidden, sometimes requires plugins, and feels optional. CapCut makes automation part of the experience. If you want to save time and reduce repetitive tasks, it's a serious advantage. Premiere's AI is powerful, but you have to dig for it. So if you like instant results without the extra setup, CapCut wins here. Both editors let you export in high quality. CapCut will happily do 4K with a few presets, perfect for YouTube and social media. Premiere Pro gives you insane control, bitrate, frame rate, codecs, color profiles, you name it. Honestly, for most creators, CapCut is good enough. But if you're picky about every detail and want film quality output every time, Premiere is unmatched. Here's a real-world consideration. Your computer. CapCut is lightweight. You can run it on a laptop from 3 years ago without problems. Premiere? Forget it. Big projects can lag, previews can stutter, and rendering. Don't even ask if you're on a mid-range PC. This is where CapCut really feels like it's made for everyday creators. You can experiment freely, make multiple drafts, and post consistently without worrying your laptop will crash. Premiere demands patience and planning, and sometimes that's a deal breaker for anyone trying to post daily. So if you're editing on a budget machine, CapCut is a lifesaver. Premiere needs horsepower. CapCut is free. Full stop. You get almost everything you need without paying a dime. Premiere Pro? Adobe's subscription model is around $20, $30 per month. It's an investment, and yeah, it adds up over time. But if you're earning from your content, it can be worth it. For For beginners or creators watching their wallets, CapCut is unbeatable. Premiere Pro justifies the cost if you're going for pro-grade control and precision. If you're creating short-form content, social media videos, or just starting out, CapCut is a dream, fast, simple, and smart. You can focus on making content, not learning complicated tools. Premiere Pro is still the king for long-form YouTube videos, cinematic effects, and pro editing, but it demands time, money, and patience. Honestly, the best editor comes down to your workflow, your goals, and your machine. Beginners and social media creators lean CapCut. Professionals and cinematic storytellers lean Premiere. Everyone else? Try both and see which feels right. You'll know when you click with it.